so I'm making my baby butter, and my baby butter has oatmeal in it, and I'm about to make some colloidal oats. But I know a lot of people do not know how to make colloidal oats. In fact, you guys are ordering this from Brambleberry, different places like that, and paying expensive amounts when you can honestly just go to the supermarket, buy you some organic oatmeal, and just process it. Okay. All right. So what you do is you go ahead and you just put your oatmeal inside of something or pour it straight from the container. Okay. And then you just basically grind it up. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is you want to store this in an airtight container. It's good as long as your oatmeal is good. Whatever the expiration is on your oatmeal, that's how long this would last. And oatmeal typically lasts for a very long time.